Hello, fifth graders. I am going to be showing you a presentation that I made, and this is to get you ready to learn about a complete sentence. So I know that you've probably been working on sentences since first grade, and so that's why my first slide says, do you know what a complete sentence is? That's a silly question. You learned to write sentences back in the first grade. Now you will learn to master the art of sentence writing. So get ready, and I want you to really think about writing sentences as we begin this year, because the sentence is like the building block for all other forms of writing. So we can't write paragraphs and essays unless we can write really great sentences. So the rule for anytime you're doing a video with guided notes is that you're going to be looking for this green box, and you're also going to be looking for this pencil. Whenever you see anything inside a green box, that should clue you in so you know that you're going to be writing that in your notebook. So I bought it's kind of a special fun writer's notebook. I just picked it up at Target. You can get them anywhere, or you can use the composition notebook that we gave you in class. And that's going to be labeled your writing notebook. So that's going to be something that you save and you bring to class every day. The first thing I want you to write in your writer's notebook is what's in this green box, which says, I can tell if a group of words makes a complete sentence by identifying the subject and predicate and recognizing all 5 parts of a complete sentence. So anytime you need to, you can pause the video and then you just write down what I have on the screen, and then you can play the video again. I'm going to click to the next slide, but just know that you can rewind or go back to the next slide anytime. So my next slide looks like this. Maybe, let's see. Okay, and the next slide just tells what a sentence is. So again, you're going to be looking for anything in green. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words expressing a complete thought. And I've got this picture of my family up here. And basically, I just wrote a sentence about us, something that we did this summer. And I wrote, my awesome family went on a vacation this summer. And what I want you to start doing is looking for subjects and predicates within each sentence. So in order for a sentence to be complete, it has to have a subject, which is going to have some sort of a subject noun, either a who or a what that the sentence is all about. It's also going to have a predicate, and the predicate starts with a verb. So here the word went is a verb, and this is the predicate, went on a vacation this summer. In order for a group of words to be considered a complete sentence, it has to have 5 parts. And I'm going to shut that off there for just a second so you can still hear me, but you won't be blocking this little hint. So the 5 parts of a complete sentence are the subject, the verb, complete sense. It has to start with a capital letter, and it has to end with a correct end mark. And a little hint to you is that the verb usually begins a complete predicate. So if you can find the action in the sentence, that's where the predicate typically starts. So again, you can pause the video, see the pencil, see what's in green. You need to copy this into your writing notebook. Oops. And the next thing you're going to do is you're actually going to do a little bit of work with a partner close to you. I want this to be done quietly in whisper voices. First, you're going to play this video right here. So when you click play, a link is going to come up and you're going to go to another video of me singing this jingle. So you're going to do that and you're going to follow the directions on there, and then you're going to come right back over here to this video after you practice singing the video song 3 times. Once you're done practicing with a partner, you're going to find the worksheet called Practice Activity 2. This is going to be on the table that you go to every morning when you come in. It's that the back table in my room, and you're going to complete this must-do practice activity. Once you finish that and you feel good about it, you can go to the key on the wall in the room under the light, and then you can check it. When you're done with that one, if you get it all right, then you go to the practice activity number 3. Again, you are welcome to work alone or with a partner, and this is going to talk to you more about the 5 parts of a complete sentence, and it's asking you to find the part that is missing. If you finish all of those things and you are having a little bit of extra time, you can write 3 sentences about your summer in an email to me. And you want to make sure that your sentences have all 5 parts of a complete sentence in them. The subject, the verb, it has to make complete sense, a capital letter, and an end mark.